Hello friends, are you ready for a quick Sunday trading practice? Let's do a full top-down analysis as you like and improve your trading skills to the next level. If you are ready, let's start now. Okay, let's talk about the power coin today. This morning we had great rallies with almost all coins. And the Bitcoin is very close to breaking its all highs again. Crypto world is really hot. The best way to trade is momentum rallies. As usual, we start with the weekly and daily charts to see the bias with the coins. Price was rebalancing itself by balancing the imbalances, as you can see in the weekly chart. Look at these weekly candlesticks, big green candlesticks. All coins are going crazy nowadays. In the daily time frame, price switches with this gigantic daily imbalance fail, and we are riding upwards. Price was precisely were trying to fill this daily imbalance, which was inside the weekly imbalance. With our tree layout system in the Momentum Masterclass, seeing all this is just a piece of cake. Okay, we had our bias, but what about the momentum? Did we have the momentum? That is the critical question here. Let's see. If you closely check this out, price powered by 1 and 2 are imbalances here. This ignited and fueled the price to fill those weekly and daily imbalances. Everything you see is here like gears of a system and working together to accomplish a single movement. In 30 minutes, I can see the clear price switch happen. Buyers are gaining power and sellers are getting weaker. All great, but the question is simple. How do we trade this? We will work on this yellow circle in the 5 minutes, so you can get a better idea of what is happening. After the tap of the 1 and 2 are imbalances, price ignites right here. This imbalance fails and momentum imbalances start to appear. This is the first location of possible entry for the rally strategy. This crazy move should have given you around 3-4% move for the gain. But what if you have missed this entry? What to do then? As you can see, what happens here is simple structure box. Buyers gaining the full control here. And that is the perfect support and resistance flip area, which also collides with an inner imbalance. Perfect examples of entries in the Momentum Masterclass. And then another micro price switch with a rally strategy. As you can see, when a coin rallies, all we need is patience for the entries. So, let's do a recap. We are riding this crazy rally towards the weekly and daily imbalances. During the rally, price gets a break for a fuel in a gas station and pulls back in the 1 and 2 hour imbalances. This micro price switch is your first entry chance. Then the price ignites again and pulls back again on a structured box and support and resistance combo. Then again a secondary micro price switch happens for the micro rally. This was the story of the power coin. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, every single day we keep doing the same things over and over again. Ask this question: how do I find this exact 100% same setups every single day. This is not a coincidence. It happens exactly as shown in the masterclass with the tree layout system. See you friends, take care and do not rush yourself.